Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your story on TikTok after posting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So what if you just upload story to your TikTok and maybe for some reason you want to edit your story? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our TikTok. From here, I will show you my profile. Here's my story that I just upload my TikTok and I want to edit. You can just select on the three dots over here on the bottom right here. You see in here, you can just select on delete. There is an option delete and re-edit. You can select on that. Now you can edit your story. Like this, maybe you can add caption. After that, you can edit the audio, the sound. Maybe you want to crop like this. Now you can just share it to your story. It's very simple, right? So that is how to edit your story on TikTok after posting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.